Kevin G with a weather overview. How you doing out there, everybody? Well, we've got cold weather for this weekend, and then we're basically free and clear of any cold and snow chances through about the 22nd or the 23rd. That's because a classic January thaw is going to develop across the eastern two-thirds of the United States, and for much of the lower 48 states, we are going to be in at or above normal temperatures starting early next week and continuing through about the 22nd or the 23rd at the very least, perhaps even more. Intellicast.com has your temperatures right now. Grab the heavy jacket, as we had a little bit of a tease yesterday with record high temperatures in New York City and all around the tri-state area. We hit 65 yesterday in the park, so that is quite remarkable for this time of year. And now we're going to look for a little bit of light snow action on Saturday. This storm is going to disappoint a lot of snow lovers because all week long it looked like we'd get into a period at least of some type of light to moderate snow for Saturday night and Sunday. But now the models have completely backed off on that. And this is the Canadian model, and basically what it's showing is a few flurries tomorrow afternoon under some cloudy skies with temperatures in the 30s. And I think that's the best we're going to do as far as snow lovers are concerned. Perhaps an inch or two in some spots, but this is not going to be the surprise snowstorm that happened recently. This isn't going to be anything like that. This is a very innocuous looking storm, and the models were overplaying their hand earlier in the week, and now we see the true nature of the storm as it scoots by to our south. The real next weather trouble is going to happen on Tuesday into Wednesday, but it's going to be in the form of rain. And it always was going to be in the form of rain, even as we were looking at it on the last video. This is off of the GFS, and we're fine for Sunday, Monday. We're going to notice warming temperatures starting on Sunday, especially then, where we go above freezing for the first time in many days to come, many consecutive days to come. And by Tuesday afternoon, rain moves in, and then we get a bit of a break, and then by Wednesday morning, Wednesday afternoon, we get another slug of rain to move through. This is courtesy of the GFS and Tropical Tidbits. But that's really our only weather story as far as precipitation is concerned next week. The real weather story, in my view, is the warm temperatures. And starting on Sunday, every day is going to be in the 40s to low 50s, especially late in the period with the low 50s. If you look at the Climate Prediction Center, this is off of their site. This is the temperature profile for January 19th through 23rd. This is the probability of above normal temperatures. And as you can see, they have very high confidence that we are going to have well above normal temperatures for this time of year for next weekend. So this weekend was the weekend to go skiing across the Northeast. Next weekend, not so much. And as we take a look at Weather Underground, yeah, I mean, this is it. I mean, this is as far as the temperatures are concerned, it shows it very nicely with a steady uptick in temperatures pretty much every single day starting on Sunday. And we have that rain chance in the middle of next week. So winter weather lovers will have to languish for a little while as we go through a January thaw, a classic January thaw.